In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove songs from your Apple Music library. So there's two ways you can do this. So let's go into the Apple library, and I'm going to stay here actually under the recently added. So let's go ahead and pick something here. I'll just pick this one here. And to go ahead and delete a song, all you have to do is go ahead and on the song, you'll find these three dots on the far right side. So go ahead and click those three dots, and then you'll get an option at the very bottom to delete from library. So go ahead and hit delete from library. It's going to ask you to confirm, and it will delete that song from any playlists if you have it in a playlist. So go ahead and hit delete from library, and then it's gone. Another thing you can do is just on your actual library page is go to the songs, and this is going to give you all the songs that you currently have on your Apple Music, and it's basically the same thing. So go to the three dots on the far right side, and then go ahead and hit delete from library and then confirm. And then as you see, that song is gone. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy.